Hello guys, good morning. So today is Mohalaya festival. So I am free today and today is holiday. Okay, so I am thinking today to go to market to buy something. So since morning I have been thinking what can I do today because I have a day off this day. So that's why I have been thinking since morning. So I had better go to visit any places. If I go, it is better for me because whenever I go to visit any places, something I see different, and from that I try to learn something. This is very helpful for me. That's why I go. And sometimes I go to connect with people and I talk with people, then much knowledge after talking with them I gather myself. Okay. So it is also very helpful for me. And today is Mohalaya festival. And after few days, Durga Puja. There is a worship of Durga Puja after a few days, 15 days, after 15 days. Okay, so we need to buy new clothes. So don't judge any person with his or her clothes. Okay, always respect people. If you want to get respect from people, then first of all you have to respect people, then people will respect you in return. Keep in mind, if someone misbehave with you, you feel bad the way you don't misbehave with anyone. Okay, always you respect. Okay, keep this in mind. So I have been thinking whether I will go or not. Okay, I'm alone because I have to go alone to the market, so that's why it is striking my mind whether I will go or not. If I go, so I will show you the video. Okay, so keep on watching and happy learning. Keep on learning.